Once again,
I'm back home and to my next home, and I'm gonna show you what I got from the country in St. James. We got turmeric, all natural, aloe vera or Cinco Bible. This now is from the bitterwood tree, some bitterwood trip. All you have to do is just soak it in some water, and this one is good. I'm gonna make a video on this one. It's good for cleansing your system, detox and all of that. Good for diabetes and all of that. Here I have some bunches of bananas, some for ripe and some for eat as is. This Gros Michel we're gonna eat, and maybe this one we're gonna ripe, and that's one for cooking. And I have some sweet sugar cane as well, and I'm going to show you what I get from on the inside. Guys, can you see mangoes? Like this one, I'm going to cut this one out right here, and this one I'm going to cut out. June plum. I'm gonna dive in some, I'm gonna freeze some, I'm gonna blend some. Oh yes. And I'm gonna put those green ones to ripe. Yummy yummy for your tummy. Guys, you remember my mangoes? Yes, this is it. Look at it, guys, all natural. I'm gonna dive in it now. Yes, look at this, guys. Woo-hoo. Juicy and nice. And my peeps, inside I have some breadfruit. Breadfruit good for those, good for roasting. You have few young ones, or a little bit, they're not young but not so full of as to roast, so those can cook. And these big boys, we're gonna roast them. I'm just gonna let them sit overnight just so they can get turned and nice. We're gonna roast them on the wood fire tomorrow, and we're gonna cut them and peel them and freeze them, and we're gonna fry some for breakfast. So that's all my breadfruits from the country. Yes, you can cook it, you can fry it, whatever you want. And my peeps, these are my neeseberries. Yes, my friend Troy, Rastaman Troy, picked these for me, and I'm gonna put them to ripe. And guys, you want to leave them for a few days well for them to be well ripe. And how you can get them well ripe fast, just put some newspaper or some banana leaf, some banana trash, the dry one, in a box, and put a 1 or 2 lime or lemon in it, and that will help to ripen them fast. So guys, I can't wait to dive down in some, and I'm gonna take some home as well. My neeseberries, yes. And over here, guys, my plum, they are all almost ripe, and these are ready to eat. My mangoes, these are close, these can eat, and these are close to ready. I have few ripe neeseberries. These are the ones I had before. And we got some bananas from the country. I'm gonna put those to ripe, and we can eat these one. And I have few pear or avocado. I'm gonna eat this one now with a bulla or cake. And right here I bought some jackfruits. They already take them off the seed and put them in a bag, and I'm gonna try these as well. And guys, these are what I got from the country. Yes guys, I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'll see you later. And my husband have stuff ready for me to bring home. Good coconut oil, real coconut oil. This is the real deal. Rasta Kibble natural coconut oil. And then him have some Lasco for me. Chocolate, pineapple. I haven't tried this one before. Pineapple and orange. And this is my strawberry. This is my cherry berry. Oh, cherry berry. I never tried this one. I tried the strawberry and I never tried this one. And chocolate, I tried already. This is my packing for now. We have more stuff and I'll show you later. Okay, guys? Alright, guys. Let's start over here. I have Lasco vanilla, Lasco of all sort, peanut punch, cherry berry, more peanut punch, pineapple, chocolate, and my vanilla is here. That's good. Now I have a tin of cheese. I have 2 bottles of coconut oil, real coconut oil, 1 Maggi stock. I have some nutmeg. Lots of people want the nutmeg, the good nutmeg to make the porridge and make the tea. It's good for your system, clean your system, and it's really a healthy remedy. Nutmeg, good for all blending juice and all of that. And if you feel bad, my mom always tell me to put a little piece in my mouth. If you have a bad feeling also, nutmeg is good. I have 3 avocado here, or some people say pear. Now guys, I have some ackee. I cook it and it's frozen. And I have 2 ties of ackee here, about 1 pounds. And this is my June plum, like ripe and green. We just cut it up and take the seeds out. And I have 2 bags. And I have my roast breadfruit, as I show you. You pick it, roast it and peel it and all of that. I have 2 ties, like they look like 2-3 pounds or more of sliced fish. When I go up, I'm gonna cook those. I fry some already, so I won't fry all because my girlfriend gave me some. I have some fish. I'm gonna take up, this is red snapper, I think my husband says. I'm gonna take them up to steam them and brown stew. I have a little bit of jackfruit here, but this is not gonna go on the plane. I think I'm gonna eat it on my way. I have some cane, some sugar cane right here. I'm just gonna bring them as is. And over here I have some gooseberry and some mangoes. This one look like it's overripe a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna leave this one. I think I'm gonna leave this one. And over here guys, I have few mangoes I'm gonna take with me as is. And here I have some fried fish. My husband fried these for me, and my girlfriend Tamara fried this sliced fish for me as well. And here she gave me some preserved carrots and pimento and garlic and onions to put on it and soak in some vinegar. So I'm gonna take that with me. So that's what I have also, guys. So that's my little thing I'm gonna take back to Canada. Yes. All right guys, I'm gonna get dressed now and I'm gonna head out of here and I'm gonna pack my suitcase. So I'll catch you later guys.